Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the LOFTEK brand. Their solar camping lantern has 160 LED all around 360 degrees and also on the base of the pendant itself. And this is all IP65 waterproof, which means you can shoot water at any angle and it won't have any problems. That includes the light and the solar panel and the wiring. So they allow flexible installation. You can adjust the height for a tent, car, gazebo, designed with a 5 meter, 16.5 feet waterproof connect wire, which is this wire right here, and it allows you to suspend this quite easily in the air, just like that. You could easily remove that also, because it's one of these Carolyn things that allows you to remove it. Then on the other end, it has this unique holder that unscrews, just like that. And then it has a little package where you can put this in drywall, or you can put this on a wall, anywhere wood, and the screws could go through that hole right there. Then you mount this vertically, then all you have to do is rotate this in there, and then you have the ability to hold it vertically in any given space. It also has the ability to adjust the height by sliding this forward like that, and then you could run this cable through the opening right there and still rotate this in place. And then by doing that, you can adjust the height of the light, which is really clever. It also has a really nice solar panel, 5 volt, 3 watt polycrystalline silicone solar panel. Has a 23% conversion rate, which is really high, and that's going to allow you to absorb the sun's energy, and that will go into the lithium-ion batteries that are inside here to produce that light. Now these use S&P 2835 6000 to 6500K color, and it's about 400 lumens, as I mentioned, and 360 degrees all the way around light. We're going to show that. So there's no motion sensor on this light. This light will come on when you turn the power switch on right here. Push it once and it'll come on. Let's go over the solar panel right here. Solar panel has some included nuts and screws, and you go through. Now you see the light just came on because I was blocking the light, so it thinks it's dusk. So this allows you to adjust the angle. It comes with 2 screws. You can mount this in a roof or on an eave, anywhere you want to. So as you can see, as the light hits it, it thinks that the sun is coming out, and it's in the charging mode. It's charging the actual batteries inside here. And then of course the sun goes down, it goes to dusk, and it comes on and puts out a really decent amount of light. And again, it's 360 degrees all the way around. It's very bright. First of all, the remote control has a range of about 49 feet, which is nice. This is all made of ABS and aluminum, so it's definitely water resistant to IP65 I mentioned. So you can use this as perfect for indoor, outdoor, tent, car, RV, hiking, front door, backyard, porch, garage, patio, pathway, driveway, gazebo. You can use it for emergencies. It's all weather resistant, so you can take this clip off right here. You can walk around with this, and you can have this. If you're camping or fishing, this is a cool light to put. You put a little stick in the ground, and you hang this, and it's a beautiful light to have while you're fishing. Now let's go over some of the features of the light itself. You see that button right there I mentioned. So as I'm hitting it, you can see it with the different modes of dimming. When you want to use the remote, you got to make sure that this is pushed on. So hit it once, and the light comes on. You hit it again, and it goes dimmer, again dimmer, and then off. That's the basic operation. Now if we click it on like that, now it's on the on because it's thinking that it's dusk right here. Now let's simulate the sun right there, and it shuts off as you'd expect. Now let's take a look at the remote. We're going to remove the plastic tab, which is important, which allows access to the battery. Now I want to show that when the unit is charging, I have this unit on, which is that button, and I have the remote enabled, so I can't really do anything because it still sees that the sun is out. So then when the sun goes down, it will come on automatically, and then you've got control of it using the remote. Now this is a radio controlled remote. There's just a little LED right there that gives you status, but this is radio controlled, so you don't have to actually point it. I can point and even block it, and I can still control the light. So you got the on, and then you got high, middle, and low. Very simple, just like you have with that mechanical switch on the device. This is duplicating it. So this is very simple to use. You got the remote, so that if the light is further away from you, you can use this. Just make sure that you have it turned on. And then of course you see it has the automatic mode where it's going to charge, and then the sun's going to go down and it's going to come on. And again, you can use the remote or have it be fully autonomous or automatic, just like that. Very simple. And this has a nice long cord on here that allows you to put the solar panel in a different location. Now this is not only 400 lumens of bright, but it's also, it'll illuminate up 225 square feet, which is nice. And again, this is really bright. I'm going to turn the lights off so we can see that, get a better idea of that. So this is that 16.5 feet connection wire, and on the end of it, it does have one of these barrel connectors that you can unscrew to make installation easier, and then you can pull it out like that. Now you notice the light keeps working because the light is where the battery is. This is just the charging source. Then when you're ready to reconnect it, it only lines up one way, and it pushes in, and then you turn this clockwise and lock it back in place just like that. So here I have the studio lights off, and it comes on because it assumes it's like dawn or dusk, and you can see how bright that is. It's in my studio right here. I have all the lights off, and essentially I could see all the way around my studio right here. That light is off. That's just the white light reflecting on there, their ring light. Very bright. That's the side of my research area right there. So it's bright, and it's really even light too. You can see that it goes all the way around, and there's a nice balanced light. That flickering is just the shutter of the camera that you're seeing right there. So what do I think about this LOFTEK solar camping lantern with 160 LEDs? With all the hardware to be able to hang this and adjust the height, and that solar panel being that efficient, and the control mechanism on here being automatic or using the actual remote. This is a really cool product. I'm really impressed. Nice quality, simple operation, and it's going to allow you to light up an area without any wiring or complex issues. Just set it and forget it, basically. So this is a cool product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.